Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorial how to delete background. So for example, I will open image and select your image. For example, I will use this image, click open. And if you want to remove this background to make transparency, we need to add alpha channels. In it, you can right click on layer and then click add alpha channel. After it, use free select tools. We need to tracking the image so you can zoom in, and I will start from this point. This and click to tracking outside of the image. As example, I will set in it so we can delete another object like this. You can go to select and then click invert. After it, you can press delete button and it will be automatically remove the background to be transparent. You also can go back into select and then click none. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorial how to delete background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.